I'm gonna show you how to make a, whoops, oh my gosh, that just flung at me, a transforming star. This one kind of already came apart. So the first thing I have is 8 squares of paper. I just cut up some old paper that I had that I wasn't gonna use. It was just gonna be recycled anyway. And I took some markers and colored on the white paper I had because I don't have any colored paper. So I chose to do a rainbow because we were talking about color last week and I wanted to make a rainbow star. So I'll put these to the side and we'll start with orange for now. Each of these squares are going to do the exact same fold. This is a modular origami, which means each piece gets put together into one single big piece. So to start with your folding, you'll need 1 square and we're going to fold it in half. So I'm going to match the top and the bottom and make sure it's perfectly matched and then crease the bottom. So I want to use a good amount of pressure or my fingernail to crease it. I'll open that up and I'm going to fold this corner so it matches the middle here. The corner goes to the middle and the sides are right there, and I'll fold this crease. And I'll do this again on that side. So this kind of makes a little hat looking thing. It's a little hat. Okay, so after this point, I'm gonna fold here like that. And then I have this weird shape and it's open at the bottom. I'll put the opening at the, well, I'm gonna flip it over here. The opening at the bottom, my point is on the left. And I'm going to take this top corner, this corner is gonna fold all the way over here. So I'm gonna fold this down from here to the corner there. And I'm gonna kind of do that on both sides so I have a nice crease there. So I have this nice crease. And now if I puff open this bottom, I'm gonna hold this side with my left hand and take this corner. So this corner is going to push down into my, I don't know what this is called, a parallelogram, whatever shape this is. So I'll show that again. So I have this nice crease and it looks like this. I'm going to open it up and push it down into the inside. Get my corner. And now I have, I'll crease it nicely with my fingernails. And now I have the shape I need. So on this side I have 2 little flaps and this side is a little more closed. Each of my shapes I want to fold exactly like this and I will have 8 of them in a row. I have all my units folded and they are in order how I want them. And they're also facing the exact same way. So these 2 points, this corner, these corners are on the right and this not open corner is on the left on every one of these. So now to put it together, I'm going to organize it in a circle for the way I'd like it to be put together. Okay, if some of these are kind of puffed up, you can crease it more so it stays down. This one is not right, so I have to flip that over. Make sure they're facing the same way. Okay, this is how I'd like it. And I'm gonna start putting it together. So to put my star together, I'm gonna start with the red. So on the bottom is this opening, so you can see the white. The top has these 2 little flaps. This corner that's not open is on the left, and these 2 are on the right. And I'll take my other one that I'm going to slide into it, and they're going to be the exact same way. So they're both facing the same way. For this second one, I'm going to tip it a little bit and slide it between the 2 pieces of the red, and it kind of ends evenly on this red one here, all the top. Okay, to connect it, to actually put it together, I'm gonna bend these corners. So I'll bend this one and then I'll open it, and then I'll bend this one and open it. And now that these two are bent, these little corners are going to go into the inside of these two. So here, I'll stick them in and really crease them. So now I have two pieces together, and it can slide back and forth, but for now I'm gonna keep it kind of even. Now I need to do the rest of the colors, and it's gonna be the same way. So I'm going to take my yellow that is next, and it's the same way as this, this orange one. I will tip this so the corner is up top and slide it in. The corner is going to hit against this inside seam. Okay, and then I'll bend my corner, bend my back point here, open this, and tuck these into the inside of my yellow. So now I have 3. I'm gonna keep going all the way until the end, and the end one is gonna be a little tricky to put it all together. Okay, we're on the last one. So I'm gonna stick this red one inside the purple, and I'll slide this one in like I have been doing for the other ones. And then I'll also, oh, actually I'm gonna try to do this at the same time. I'm gonna slide the red into the back of the pink, and the pink is gonna go into the purple. So they kind of go in at the exact same time. And now I just have 2 corners to tuck into these ones. So when I do tuck these in, you want to do it not over this other red one, do it on the inside. So here too, I'm going to just tuck this in back of the red one so they're not overlapping. And I have my orange. I'm going to tuck the pink inside the red, but not over the orange. Okay, there we go. Now I'll go through and use my fingernail to really fold down these creases so nothing comes apart. Okay, now to transform it, I'm going to take 2 edges and just push them in. And I can go 2 more edges and push them in. And I'll keep pushing all the way around until I have this transformed wheel star of color. And then I can also pull it back out to make it into a wheel again. There you go. We have a transforming star. Cool, huh? Awesome. Have fun.